Welcome to my virtual computer science research laboratory on GitHub.com. Let's learn Python together. My Python files and code are free to everyone to enjoy, and self-education computer programming skills. Check out my gist pages. On the bottom left of my GitHub homepage are my organizations, where I keep all my updated, finished Python works. Those who subscribe to GitHub.com can have full, unlimited access to my organizations and Python files alike. This is my Python organization, where I keep my Python program files. This is where I keep all my actual Python files for everyone to freely use. This is my RoboMaster S1 organization, where I keep my RoboMaster S1 Python program files. This is where I keep all my actual RoboMaster S1 Python files for everyone to freely use. This is my Raspberry Pi 4 organization, where I keep my Raspberry Pi 4 Python program files. This is where I keep all my actual Raspberry Pi 4 Python files for everyone to freely use. The Relaxation Lounge is a great organization where you can relax and be inspired on your next Python project. For those who would like actual Python files on the things I show in all my Python videos, you can email me at josephchrichardson08@gmail.com so you can easily run each Python program example instead of having to always copy them by hand. You can try each Python program example right on the fly yourself. Learning will be that much more fun and much more easier to learn Python, the object-oriented programming language. However, there is only one catch. You must either already be subscribed to my YouTube channel or subscribe if you would like actual Python files freely for your own use. I could only hope that someone is learning with me. I hope I had made others surpass me. Whatever I know now, I hope others will know much, much more tomorrow through me and through others abound who teach Python programming. Please note, the reason I only want those who subscribe to my YouTube channel to have full access to my Python files is simply due to privacy concerns on my part as well as on your part. That's the only catch I have, without the 22. Welcome to Computer Science and Python Programming Manuals. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.